In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add opening balance in Zoho Books. To get started, open your Zoho Books account and make sure you're logged in to the correct organization before making any changes. This is important because opening balances affect your accounting records, so you want to be certain you're working in the right place from the beginning. Once you're inside Zoho Books, look toward the top area of the screen and click the gear icon. This will take you into the Settings section, where you can manage important configuration options for your books. The gear icon is where you'll usually go for setup-related tasks, so it's a good place to become familiar with. From there, click on Opening Balances. This section is specifically designed to help you enter the starting balances for your accounts and records when you begin using Zoho Books or when you're moving data from another system. Opening balances are essential because they help ensure your financial reports reflect the correct starting point. After that, click Edit. In this area, carefully review the information shown and make sure everything is accurate before entering any balances. Take your time here, because even small mistakes can affect your reports later on. You can manually enter balances for the relevant accounts, and if needed, you can also import your items. The key thing is to make sure your records are complete and accurate so that your books match your actual financial position. As you enter the balances, it's a good idea to double-check the figures against your previous records or statements. This helps reduce errors and gives you more confidence that the data in Zoho Books is correct. Accuracy at this stage makes future bookkeeping much easier and helps avoid the need for corrections later. When you're done entering and reviewing everything, click Continue. This moves you to the next stage, where you'll have a chance to confirm the details. Before you finalize anything, take one last look at the balances and imported records to make sure all the information is exactly as intended. Finally, confirm it. Once confirmed, your opening balances will be saved in Zoho Books, and your account will be set up with the starting figures you need. That's all there is to it. If you follow these steps carefully and make accuracy your priority, you'll have a much smoother accounting setup in Zoho Books.